So this one, I added sugar to it. You know, the kids love sugar. So the adults can enjoy the first ones that I did. Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Summer Brasia Kitchen. I this year, Mami Mobi Biara Akwapa. Today we're making buns for a birthday party. And also thank you all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. You are all welcome. God bless you. And let me tell you something, this buns is just perfect. Tastes so good. Yang ingredients a yɛba bɛuse no ɛno ni. You, mewɔ sugar wɔ ha, esikre. Mewɔ all-purpose flour ɛna baking powder. Mewɔ milk, mewɔ vanilla, mewɔ butter, ɛna mewɔ nutmeg, ɛna nkosua, eggs, ɛna me salt nso ne menkyene. I'll add water and also I'll give you all the measurements for today. I'll give you all the measurements that I'm going to use for today. Okay. Nti sese no. Sani ebeya flour ne be fluffy kakra nti. Nti no me song so. Okay. Nti sese no me wie nti next one here nutmeg mba the whole thing. Okay. Nti sese no me de nutmeg and then my baking powder. Sugar gum. My eggs. Now adding my vanilla extract. We're beating kusiani na. Okay, so this is water and milk. See. Mix all together. Sesin, now wedding ube canning in fra. That's the butter. Ube canning in fra. Canning in fra. And yen fluffy like in potono too, like to say brodo be said. You made the camera no better. Nah, may you zoom inside too at the so I'm using one hand for the camera and one hand to work. So I'm gonna put the camera down, use my two hands, and I'll be back. Just like the way I'll mix a pie, not like the way you mix a brodo. Okay, see you. Okay, just send me use salt kakra, just a little bit of salt because the butter has salt in it. I don't want it to be salty. Oh, look at it, it's so beautiful. Oh, Zania. Continue to squeeze in any squeeze here, then it's enough. See, it's a big bowl. Look, very big, huge. Oh, you are invited. To me panny, mama, me a butter kakra film. Tin baby used to those pans because it's a lot. Okay, into send a million. Once like a baby carry and sana. I bake the second one. Into me mixing in and so. Tin I am mixing in kakra. So tin this is it. It's camera. Into send a million. Mixing in kakra. Mixing it to say now you're brooding. I have about 2 buns recipe. my channel no so hunting. You bet me I search for. They say now me not just say what it is. Nanyan, no nani. Ooh, smells good. Okay, so first batch is ready. First batch is ready. Yeah. Okay. Inside me. And up under and so I fine and it tastes so good. I say it's gone. Someone is eating. Look at that. We are almost done. Yeah, Kani. Gonna finish with this. So this one I added sugar to it. You know the kids love sugar. So the adults can enjoy the first ones that I see. We are done. Look at that. Beautiful. You back up. Yeah, bien. I never. Thanks for watching.